Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial about opening and closing an existing company file in QuickBooks. Well, it's important to know whether the company file you are working on is current. If it's not, things may take a slightly wrong turn and the file may get messier, which will not provide you with the accurate financial information, and you will end up making wrong business decisions. Anyhow, if you haven't opened any company file in QuickBooks, you will see this screen listing all the companies you have recently opened and modified. And when you select any company name, it will also give you the file location on your system. Well, by default, the company name you see at the top of the list is the one you have recently opened. And if you don't see a company file name in this list, you can always select this option to open and restore your company file. Just select an option and follow the friendly process. Moreover, you can double click on a company file to open it, or just select a company file and click on this open button. And if you want to open another company file while working on one, just select Open Previous Company File under the File menu, where you will have the option to open the one you want to. Anyhow, if you have same company name more than once in the list, you might end up clicking on the wrong one. What you can do here is to get some help either from the last modified column, which will give you the date and time you last modified your company file, so that you know it's the one. Or you can hide the ones you know are not current by clicking on the edit link. Here, just select the one you know that you don't want to work on and click OK. It will hide that company file name from the list, and you will have a clean list of those company files you are working on. And just select the one you want to start working on. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.